Master Chemical Corporation has been an international leader in the development and manufacture of specialty metalworking fluids and coolant management systems for more than 4 decades. The Trim brand name is recognized and respected around the world, while bright blue coolant management equipment bearing the Zybex logo is a hard-working fixture in almost every metalworking facility, large or small. In the metalworking industry, a polished, finely honed, precisely drilled, and smoothly finished part is admired as a work of art. For good parts, you need good tools, and a good fluid ensures optimal tool performance. Smoother, faster cutting at lower temperatures for reduced wear and extended tool life. Problems can develop that reduce the effectiveness of the fluid and make the operation downright unpleasant. When coolants become contaminated with tramp oil, odor-producing bacteria develops. Oil residue clings to tools and finished parts. The air becomes heavy with smoke and oil mist. Coolant life is shortened. Tool wear increases. Surface finish and size control are diminished. Tramp oil in the coolant is not healthy, pleasant, or productive, and it costs money. A simple, effective device designed for individual sump use is an economical solution for maintaining coolant quality and extending coolant life. The Master Chemical Sump Side Coalescer skimmer action is unique among competitors, pulling oil from the sump surface in a 360-degree pattern for fast removal. Tramp oil contaminated coolant goes in, and clean coolant free of tramp oil is returned to the sump. It's a simple, uncomplicated process that can be illustrated using animation. As tramp oil is skimmed off the sump, it's pumped into the drum body of the coalescer, where it separates from the coolant and pops to the surface, from which it then can be tapped off. Clean coolant from the bottom of the drum is returned to the sump in a continuous flow. The Master Chemical Sump Side Coalescer arrives in a single lightweight carton. Assembly is accomplished in a matter of minutes. Begin by positioning the dispersion baffle tubing inside the drum. Close and seal the top. Connect the hoses. Next, position the coalescer at sump side. Place the float and skimmer on the submersible stand in the sump. And finally, plug the unit in using the ground fault safety plug supplied. The skimmer can be adjusted to almost any depth, even cut down for extremely shallow sumps. The Sump Side Coalescer removes tramp oils from sumps with as little as 3 inches of coolant. An optional triangular floating skimmer replaces the stand and adapts the coalescer for use in deep sumps. Tramp oil that collects on the coolant surface in the coalescer can be tapped off manually, or the Scrounger Junior can be mounted on the unit for continuous automatic removal of the oil. A Master Chemical Sump Side Coalescer is an inexpensive and effective means of removing tramp oil from sump coolant and extending the life of coolant and tools. And mounted on a cart, the Sump Side Coalescer becomes a portable system that can be easily moved from sump to sump. When tramp oil is the problem, a Sump Side Coalescer from Master Chemical Systems Equipment Division is the solution. Its low cost, simple design, and portability make it the ideal choice for a small metalworking facility.